In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add media queries in Dreamweaver. If you're building a responsive site, media queries are what let your layout adapt to different screen sizes, and Dreamweaver gives you a visual way to add them without hunting through lines of code. Start by opening your page in Dreamweaver. You can work in Design View for a visual layout, Live View to see more accurate rendering, or Code View if you prefer to keep an eye on the CSS. Any of these views will work, so choose what helps you stay oriented as you adjust breakpoints. At the top of the editing area, look for the Media Query ruler. If your CSS already includes media queries, you'll see colored bars along this ruler. Each colored bar represents an existing breakpoint, so you can quickly spot what's already defined and avoid duplicates. To add a new breakpoint, drag the scrubber along the ruler to the exact width you want. For example, 768 pixels is a common tablet width, but pick the width that matches your design goals or analytics. As you drag, pay attention to how your layout behaves in Design or Live View. This helps you target the width where the design really needs an adjustment. When the scrubber is positioned where you want the new breakpoint, click the plus icon that appears on the ruler. This opens a pop-up where you define the media query. First, choose whether it should use min width, max width, or both. Min width is typically used in a mobile-first approach, meaning styles apply from that width upward. Max width is useful when you want styles to apply up to a certain width. You can also combine both to target a specific range. Next, set the value. For example, if you select max width, you might enter 768 px, so the rules affect screens up to that size. Finally, choose where Dreamweaver should place the media query CSS. You can add it to an existing CSS file to keep related styles together, or send it to a new style sheet if you want to separate your responsive rules. Pick the option that keeps your project organized and easy to maintain. Once you confirm, the new breakpoint appears as a colored bar on the ruler. Click that bar anytime to edit the media query settings or to preview your page at that screen size. This makes it simple to fine-tune and verify how your layout behaves at that breakpoint. And that's it. Open your page, find the ruler, set the target width, add the media query, choose its type and location, and use the colored bar to revisit or preview. This workflow keeps your responsive design precise, visual, and easy to iterate.